Very good morning, students. In last class, we have learned different parts of a leaf and different functions of a leaf. Right? Students, in this class, I am going to teach you root part of a plant. Dear students, look at this picture. Who do you think is watering their plant correctly? Boy or girl? Why? Girl is watering their plant correctly, right? Which part of the plant is in the soil? Root part of the plant is in the soil, right? Students, let us learn more about root part of a plant. Okay? Students, plants have roots, stem and leaves. Some plants also have flowers, fruits and all, right? These parts work together to help the plant live and grow. Right? The main parts of a plant are shoot and root. The part above the ground level. Okay. This is ground, right? The part above the ground level is this part. Okay. This part is called shoot part. Okay. The part below the ground. Okay, part below the ground. Okay, this is ground part, right? This is called root part. Okay, the shoot part grows upwards towards the sunlight, and this root grows downwards into the soil. Students, root grow deep into the soil and they usually grow below the ground. The main functions of the root are: the root holds the plant firmly to the soil. It also holds the soil and prevents the soil from being washed away. It helps the plant to stand upright and prevents it from falling down. Okay. Root absorbs water and minerals from the soil and passes them to the stem. A mineral, okay, is a naturally occurring substances in the earth. It is not a part of an animal or a plant. The stem in turn passes water and minerals to other parts of the plant. In some plants, roots store food. For example, carrots, radish, beetroots and turnips are actually roots which we eat. Okay. Students, go to an open ground where many wild plants are growing. Dig out a few. Wash the soil of the roots and observe them. Okay. Different types of roots. There are two types of roots. One is tap roots. Another one is fibrous roots. Students, all of you see here, this is tap root and this is fibrous root. Okay. These are the two types of roots. Some plants, okay, some plants have main thick root that grows from the bottom end of the stem. Okay, all of you see here. This is the bottom end of the stem. Okay, there will be a thick root. Okay, that is grows from the bottom end. Okay, this is the thick root. Okay, and it is called taproot. Okay, which further divides into many branches or side roots. Okay, all of you see here, students, these are the branches of roots or a side roots. Okay, these branches, okay, these branches have very thin root hair. These root hair absorb water and minerals from the soil. Students, all of you see again, some plants have a main thick root. Okay, all of you see here, this is the main thick root that grows from the bottom end. Okay, this is the bottom end of the stem. Okay, it is called the tap root, which further divides into many branches or side roots. Okay, some plants which have tap roots are people tree, bean, rose, and tomato. Students, here second type of root is fibrous root. Okay, some plants have clusters of roots. Okay, all of you see here, these are the roots. Okay, these are in cluster, right? Approximately have the same size. Okay, approximately these are all in same size and these roots are in cluster, right? Okay, and that is growing from the end of the stem. Okay, this is the stem, right? Okay, this is the stem that is growing from the end of the stem. These are called fibrous root. Okay, some plants that have fibrous roots are wheat, grass, rice, and sugarcane. Okay, and ragi. Okay, this is the ragi root, students. Okay, these are all examples for fibrous roots. Students, in this class we have learned root part of a plant and functions of the root and different types of roots. If you have any doubt, ask in online session. All of you should follow given worksheet. Thank you, students.